SJ here from MarineMax Crosslake, and today we have a new pontoon on trade with the trailer for under $32,000. This is the 2019 SmokerCraft Sun Chaser 22-foot Geneva pontoon. This is a 2-tube pontoon with room for up to 11 people on board. And it's got the Yamaha 90 horsepower super high output outboard motor on there, which puts your top speed at about 40 to 50 miles an hour, depending on how many people you have on board. And it's only got 153 engine hours on it. You've got the touchscreen Lowrance fish finder, navigation, depth reader, sonar. This is an awesome touchscreen display that was aftermarket put on the boat, giving you some more value for what you're getting here. We have floor lights that come on and off. They're blue accent, so it gives you a little bit of an elevated feel at night without being too bright. We've got backlit blue analog gauges and a Bluetooth Jensen stereo system. This comes with the boat cover and the fast snap support rods, so in the off season or when it's rainy, you don't have to worry about that cover pooling water or snow. It'll just roll right off the top. This has a changing booth as well, with a canvas that is in really good condition. There's a cockpit table for all your snacks, plenty of storage under these seats here. And one thing about this boat that is kind of unique is that there was a replacement on the vinyl for some of these chairs here. So you'll notice a little bit of discoloration from the tan to the new tan. But if you're colorblind or you just don't care at all and you want an awesome pontoon that the vinyl's in perfect condition, come and check this boat out. We would love to take you for a test drive out on the Whitefish chain or the Gull chain of lakes, or deliver the boat to you within about 20 miles of our store here in Crosslake. So give us a call, 218-692-3570, or come and visit us on County Road 66 today.